Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make fresh pasta, Jamie Oliver style. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need about 300 grams of 00 flour or good quality all-purpose flour, along with 3 large, free-range eggs. A small pinch of sea salt will enhance the flavor. Having your eggs at room temperature helps them mix smoothly into the flour, creating a perfect dough. Now let's get our hands dirty. On a clean work surface, pile your flour and make a large well in the center. Crack your 3 eggs directly into this well, adding the pinch of salt. Using a fork, gently whisk the eggs, slowly drawing in flour from the sides until a shaggy dough forms. Then, knead the dough vigorously for about 10 minutes. It should feel smooth, elastic, and spring back when pressed. After kneading, wrap your dough tightly in cling film and let it rest for at least 30 minutes. This relaxes the gluten. Next, divide the dough into 4 equal pieces. Take one piece and flatten it slightly before feeding it through a pasta machine, starting on the widest setting and gradually narrowing it. Alternatively, roll it thinly with a rolling pin. Finally, cut your pasta into beautiful shapes like tagliatelle or pappardelle. Cooking fresh pasta is incredibly quick. Bring a large pot of heavily salted water to a vigorous boil. Carefully add your freshly made pasta. It will cook in just 2 to 4 minutes, depending on its thickness. You want it perfectly al dente. Before draining, remember to reserve about 1 cup of the starchy pasta water. This liquid is fantastic for loosening and emulsifying your sauce. Serve your delicious pasta immediately with your chosen sauce.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.